Looking for a power supply that delivers reliable performance without taking up too much space? The EVGA BP power supply brings precision and power together in one compact package. At just 120 mm, it's EVGA's shortest ATX PSU yet, making it a perfect fit for builds where space is tight but quality can't be compromised. Plus, with 80+ bronze certification, you get 85% efficiency or better under typical loads, meaning less wasted energy and a cooler system overall. I've seen firsthand how crucial a dependable power supply is. After 12 years of solid service, my old Thermaltake PSU finally gave out, nearly taking my entire setup down with it. When it was time to upgrade, I wanted something different, something quieter and more efficient. That's when I found the EVGA BP. Installation was straightforward, even though it's not fully modular. With a little cable management, it fit perfectly inside my case. What surprised me most was how silent it runs. Powering up my PC, I had to double-check if it was even on. No noise at all. The 115 mm hydraulic bearing fan does its job quietly, keeping things cool without distraction. And with a single 12 volts rail plus DC-DC converters, voltage stability on the 3 volts and 5 volts lines is rock solid. If you want a power supply that's efficient, quiet, and built to last, the EVGA BP deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty and includes a full suite of protections, so you can build with confidence. Whether you're upgrading an old rig or putting together a new system, this PSU offers the right balance of performance and value. If that's you, give the EVGA BP a closer look. Try it when you're ready and experience how a compact, quiet power supply can change your build.